This How to 1 Minute will show you how to add categories and tags for WordPress pages. You can easily add a category or a tag to your post easily. If you hover over on post, here you will get categories and tags. And now, by default, you can't add any category or tags to your pages. If you hover over on pages, as you can see here, by default, category and tags are not allowed. Now, let's see how to add category and tag to a page. So first of all, you have to install a plugin. So go to the plugin section and click on add new plugin. In this search plugins box, type here pages with category and tag. And this is the plugin we are looking for. So all you have to need, just install this plugin and activate it. Once the plugin activated, now hover over on pages, and now you will see category and tags are added here. Now let's click on all pages, and now edit the page where you want to add category. In this left-hand menu, now here you will get categories and tags. Click on categories, and now you can select categories you created previously, or to create a new category, click on add new category. Right here the category name, select parent category, click on add new, and to add a text to the page, click on tags, and here write your tags. And that's it. This is how we can add category and tags in WordPress pages. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.